Continue. So next, B, writing for a mitzvah matter. Okay, writing over mitzvah matter. It is permitted to read any script that involves mitzvah matter. One example of the mitzvah script was described above. The sit-in list of the meal for the meal, right? So if it's for the mitzvah, you can read. Okay, so meaning it's not a book, it's not an essay, it's something that you compose yourself. Another example is an invitation to a mitzvah banquet, such a wedding, bar mitzvah, or charitable dinner, right? So okay, you got invited, and you say, oh, you forgot what date was it, and then you got this invitation card, right? Is it business? Is it the invitation, right? It's a business thing, right? On one hand, on another hand is for a mitzvah, so you can read and plan your week, okay. Or charitable dinner, okay. So it's also, if it's charity, so it's also a mitzvah. Yet another example is a Jewish history book, which contains information that is beneficial for a religious standpoint, from a religious standpoint. And there are books, I think Rabbi Monk, one of the famous Jewish historians, right, in the recent past, right? So there are many books. I'm not sure, like in my mind, if person such a hard time to learn something holy, like the real Jewish books, like very valuable. So I guess if there's no choice, so a person like history, so it's better for a person to read the Jewish history than some other garbage. Right. So, but if person can read and learn like others, like real forum, why would you want to learn the history? Right. So, I mean, if you learn any book, it would tell you the history. Okay.